Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make your laptop like new again. So let's get started. First, backup all important files to a flash drive or external hard drive. This process will erase everything. So now you have to type in the Windows search bar, reset PCs type and open it. Under the recovery option, you will see the reset PC option. Click on this and then choose remove everything. For reinstall option, pick cloud download if you want the latest drive and updates or local reinstall. For fastest reset, click next and then restart and wait for the process to finish. And that's it. Once done, your laptop feels like new. It just came out of the box. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.